The ostrich, scientifically known as Struthio camelus, is a remarkable creature that captivates the imagination with its unique physical characteristics, behavior, and evolutionary adaptations. As the largest bird in the world, the ostrich stands tall as a symbol of resilience and survival in the harsh environments of Africa. Beginning with its appearance, the ostrich is instantly recognizable by its long, slender neck and large, round body covered in soft, downy feathers. Its head is small in comparison to its body, adorned with large, expressive eyes that convey a sense of curiosity and awareness. Atop its head sits a distinctive crown of feathers, resembling a plume or tuft, which adds to its regal and majestic aura. One of the most striking features of the ostrich is its powerful legs, which are perfectly adapted for running across vast stretches of open terrain. Each leg is equipped with 2 strong toes, giving the ostrich remarkable speed and agility when navigating its surroundings. With strides reaching up to 16 feet in length, the ostrich can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest land animals on Earth. In addition to its impressive speed, the ostrich is also well known for its ability to defend itself against predators. While its long legs are ideal for running, they also serve as formidable weapons, capable of delivering powerful kicks that can inflict serious injury to would-be attackers. With a kick force of over 2,000 pounds per square inch, the ostrich is more than capable of holding its own against even the most fearsome predators, including lions and hyenas. Despite its formidable appearance, the ostrich is also a creature of grace and beauty. During mating season, male ostriches engage in elaborate courtship displays, flaunting their vibrant plumage and engaging in intricate dances to attract potential mates. These displays are a testament to the ostrich's intelligence and social complexity, showcasing its ability to communicate and form bonds with others of its kind. In addition to its physical prowess, the ostrich is also an incredibly adaptable creature, capable of thriving in a wide range of habitats, from arid deserts to lush grasslands. Its ability to survive in such diverse environments is due in part to its unique respiratory system, which allows it to regulate its body temperature and conserve water more efficiently than other birds. Despite its adaptability, however, the ostrich faces numerous threats to its survival in the wild. Habitat loss, poaching, and climate change are all taking their toll on ostrich populations, leading to declines in numbers across Africa. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this iconic species and ensure its continued survival for generations to come. In conclusion, the ostrich is a truly remarkable creature, possessing a combination of physical prowess, intelligence, and adaptability that sets it apart from all other birds. From its majestic appearance to its impressive speed and strength, the ostrich embodies the spirit of resilience and survival in the face of adversity. By understanding and appreciating the unique qualities of the ostrich, we can gain a greater appreciation for the natural world and our place within it.